Hi there, this is video 317, and it's yet another form of Venn practice. And I'm pretty sure I took this from Math 8, so if you want some extra practice, there's some different versions there. This is getting close to what we're going to be doing shortly, which are word problems based on Venn diagrams. But this one gives you the completed diagram to start. And if you're hearing some odd noise in the background, that's just Jelly Bean growling for joy because I'm doing Venn diagrams. All right, so we have a diagram here. It's got two circles. And this circle is the volleyball circle. And this is football. And this is our universal set. All right, so how many students, oh, sorry. You should pause the video, you should do questions. And then probably fastest, if you're feeling confident, just check the answer key in the back. If you make some mistakes, then you should watch the video. But it's more important all the time for you guys to try it yourself. You want to try it in pencil so that you've got some practice in. And then if you want to watch the video and see where it went wrong, that's fine. All right, so let's take a look at this. So this circle here, I'm going to color it in. This is my volleyball circle. And those are all the students that like volleyball. And this one over here is all the ones that like football. So the key thing on a diagram like this is to understand that these 10 here in the middle, they like volleyball and football. These 16 only like volleyball. So that means these ones, come on, talk to me, only like football. But if we say who likes volleyball, maybe 16 plus these 10, it's all of them in the volleyball circle. Okay, volleyball only, football and volleyball, football only, neither sports. Which brings us to the first question. How many students do not like volleyball and football? How many students are not in those two circles? Well, there's 13. So that's not. How many like football? Now we got to be careful. When we talk about football, it's going to be everybody in this circle. Remember, these students only like football. These like football and volleyball, but they still like football. So I'm going to do it this way. 10 plus 12 equal to 22. You can just put 22 in, but that way, if somebody's looking at the answer key later, they can see where my numbers come. How many students do not like football? Okay, so I gotta take out these guys. So that leaves me 16 that just like volleyball. Don't forget the 13 out there. So 16, 13, 29. How many students do not like volleyball? So if I put my finger over the volleyball numbers, that's going to leave me these guys that like football and these ones I don't like either. So 12 plus 15 is equal to 25. Okay, so you got this. If you are worried, now would be a good time. Try and pause the video and try it on your own. How many students, oh, it's getting, you got to read, do not like, so it's do not like both football and volleyball. So there's the 10 in the middle are the ones that like that, but we don't want those guys. We want everybody else. So 16 plus 13 plus 12, 30. Don't judge me, I think it's 41. Yeah, I just grabbed my calculator. I was thinking we're barely into this section. Yeah, I haven't used my calculator yet. All right, Now, how many students like volleyball? Well, volleyball is my orange circle. So we're going to add up those two. 16 plus 10, 26. How many students like both? So that is the intersection. I'll make sure, yes, both of them. So that's going to be 10 in the middle. How many students only like volleyball? So there's my volleyball circle. The 10 are the ones that like football, so we don't count those. And it's 16. And then it's the same idea over here. Only like football. It's going to be those 12. How many students like volleyball or football? All right, so we got 16 that like volleyball. Plus, we got 10 that like both, because it didn't say they couldn't like both. Plus 12. That's going to be 38. All right, so there you go. Oh, whoopsies. Guess you didn't see that last little bit there. Don't be afraid of these. And I hope by putting the numbers in here, you can see and maybe look back later where this came from. Again, if you just give me the numbers, like 41 and stuff like that, you'll get full marks. That's fine. But on a test or something like that, if the answer is wrong and all you give me is the final answer, I can't help you. You at least show me what you're adding up. I can see what's going on. It's always a good idea to show your work. Have a great day.